Okay, that is not chicken. That is cauliflower. Yes, one of my recipes I be making. Yo, cauliflower, man. It's not chicken because I don't eat chicken no more. Try to stay away from the beef and all that good stuff. But if you want some meat alternative, and you don't want to make mushrooms, I stick to cauliflower, man. Make it like chicken nuggets and stuff. So that's my chicken nuggets. What I've done was I have this chickpea flour and I add water to it, and making it like it kind of like liquidy smooth, not too thick. Pour it in there, and then I take it and put it in a flour. No. It's like you can add flour to it too. If you run out of chickpea flour, and give it more of a crunch, and then you dip it into the flour. So it's like the wet mixture into the dry mixture, and that's basically about it. And as you can see right there, that is inside the flour. And you know where you're all going. Here go right here. Put it back so I got more room. Shake it up. Add the seasoning inside there. You can even add the seasoning in the liquid mixture as well. And then throw it in the fryer. You don't want to fill it up too high, like a not even medium, but a nice level so it can cook pretty good. And wait till it get golden brown, like so. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Golden brown, baby. And that's what you can do with cauliflower. I can't cook, so I am trying to eat better, but sometimes you might not want to make a lot of greasy food. Because I told my doctor I've done this. I told her I ate cauliflower. She said, "Oh, that's good." And I said, "I'll put it in deep fry." She said, "What? You deep fry it?" Boy, she was pissed. She said, "Man, you need to lose some damn weight, boy." She didn't say it like that, but I thought what she was trying to say. You're trying to add no calories and adding calories to no calories. All right, whatever. At least I'm on the road too, but we don't eat a lot of this all the time, just once in a while. So it's all in moderation, So that's basically about it, man. And let's check this out right here. I get a little small piece. Look at that, man. Look at that. How you crunch? Man, inside. Look like chicken. Look like flaky. It's good. Add the seasoning to the wet and the dry, and it should come out pretty good. Comedian Senator P cooking. Peace. It's good. It really is. Well, time to relax, put my feet up. Okay, since I'm done with the cooking part, what I've done. Well, what you can do is when you make the cauliflower, you can dip it in some ranch or any dressing that you like. You can put it in salad. Cauliflower kind of gets you fuller. You can even make rice out of it. So that's what I normally do. Put some vegetables with it. But this time I just fried it. I really don't fry a lot. Mostly I fry the fish. So I'll just be eating in a few minutes. Get a little taste out of my mouth. Because when you cook, you be nibbling and shit. Nibble. That can get you full too. So that's why when you see your mom or somebody that be cooking, your auntie, and they say, "I'm all right. I'm not hungry," because they've been nibbling. Duh. So basically that's it. Just have good eating. I just gave you something that you might want to cook. That's all. Now let me get back to this little preseason football, because I can't really walk much right now. Can't wait to go back walk because I was dropping weight like that, man. Anyway, peace. God bless y'all. Have a great day, great weekend. Great weekend. Love, peace, and happiness. We stay together, unified. Cowboy laws.
What do you mean? Fuck do you mean? Fuck do you mean?